welcome back to my channel. Before we start, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any lesson. Something goes wrong in the house and you don't know how to explain it and ask for help. I was on holiday a couple of years ago and I was staying in a hotel. It was freezing cold. It was absolutely cold and I didn't know how to explain it and ask for help. Okay. If that's ever happened to you, then this video is for you. So let's get straight into it. Number 1. The bathroom tap has got a leak. Or you could say, the bathroom tap is leaking. Number 3. The shower has got a leak. The shower has got a leak. Number 4, the shower is leaking. Number 5, the bathroom sink tap has got a leak. The bathroom sink tap is leaking. And please be careful, don't say leak, say leak, because that means something completely different. Number 6, there is a leak in the tap of the bathroom sink. Number 7, the toilet doesn't flush. The toilet doesn't flush. Number 8, the toilet is not flushing. The toilet is not flushing. Number 9, the tank is not filling up. The tank is not filling up. The door handle is broken down. The kitchen tap is leaking. Number 12, the kitchen tap has got a leak. The ceiling has got a leak. Or you could say there is a leak in the ceiling. There are watermarks on the ceiling. There are watermarks on the ceiling. The radiator is leaking. The radiator has got a leak. The radiator has got a leak. The boiler pressure is too high. The light bulb has burnt. The light bulb has burned out. The light is not working. The light is not working. My phone died. My phone died. So it just means that the phone is out of charge. My phone has stopped charging. It means it's not charging anymore. My phone has stopped working. It just means that it doesn't work anymore. How do you get a taxi? You can call them and ask, hello, I need a taxi as soon as possible. I need a taxi as soon as possible. Hello, I'd like to book a taxi, please. I'd like to book a taxi, please. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Share the video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel, and see you later.